Hello. Say hi.
Hi.
You like this room? Chill chill. Dhanyavad. 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 You know that? You understand? What is Dhanyavad meaning? You don't know. Dhanyavad is thank you. Dhanyavad is thank you, bro. I want to do something. Do like this. Wait. Do like this. Do like this.
No, I
Do like this. No. Do like this. Like, eat that one.
Oh no, I thought you're going to eat mine.
Oh, next time, okay? You want to do like this, that one?
Just the Nuam. It's from our school, that one. Oh.
You want to do? I'll eat yours, you eat mine. Come.
Okay.
Let's close our eyes. Hey, very big. You want small or big? 1, 2, 3. Give me. This guy want to eat pakora, huh? Only give him, okay? He's very ugly, right? Enjoying, huh?
No, say that. Sir and Ma'am are there, okay?
I know.
If there's funny shoes.
Parang no pan. What did you eat last night?
Pork and chicken. Why you didn't come?
I'm not your team, bro. I'm different team.
Who's team?
Sarmisak. But spot time, I'll come to you, okay? Spot time, your team.
Oh, now I understand.
We have different team, no?
Yeah, in first day you was Shamisha team.
No. Care group, I'm Sarmisak team. Spot day, I'm your father team. Understand? Hey, Siam. Hey, Siam. Say hey.
He means
Yes.